So let's place an order and see the magic further. So right here I'm going to place an order for this particular product, and now let's click over this buy it now. And as I will place the order, an automated notification will be sent to my Telegram regarding this particular order. So here I'm going to fill this checkout page. So right here I have filled this checkout page providing the email, first name, last name, address, and here I have provided my card details as well. Now let's click over this pay now button, and here you can see that my order has been successfully placed. Now let's move on towards my Telegram account to check whether we are receiving a notification regarding this order over there or not. So right here I'm on my Telegram where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this message. And this message consists of the same name of the user, the email address, the phone number, and the order total and the payment status as well. So you can see that as soon as I have placed the order, an automated notification is sent to the Telegram so that my team can know about this particular order. So now you can also automate this entire process by just using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool that can integrate varieties of applications and automate your entire business task. So let's see the process of creating this automation. And no worries, you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. And this will help your business to save up a lot of your time and keep your customers engaged with your business. So let's see the process of creating it, and for that you have to move towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the workflow page, where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So triggers are first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new order over my Shopify. So here I will be selecting my trigger application as Shopify. So now let me search for it. And right here you can see that we are getting this application. So I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as new order, and now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to make the connection between Shopify and Pabbly Connect so that we can fetch the order details as soon as an order is placed over our Shopify store. So now let's copy it. And now let's move on towards my Shopify account with me. So right here I'm on my Shopify account, where for adding the webhook URL, you just have to move over the settings. And right here I'm on the settings page, where you just have to select this notifications. And here we are getting this option for webhooks, which you have to select. And now here I'm going to add my new webhook by simply selecting this create webhook. And now here I'm going to select the event as order creation, as I want to initiate my workflow as soon as an order is created. And now let's add the webhook URL and click over this save button. And here my webhook has been saved successfully, and here it is waiting for the webhook response. So now let's provide the webhook response. So here I'm going to move towards my Shopify store again, where I'm going to make a new purchase for this product, that is butterfly necklace. So now let's click over this buy it now button, and we are on this checkout page, which we are going to fill again. So right here I have filled this checkout page providing all the details. Now let's click over this pay now button for making the payment and placing the order. So right here you can see that the order has been successfully placed. Now let's move on towards the Pabbly Connect and check for the data. So right here, I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see that 7 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which we have just filled. And here you can check out my customer's details and its address, having the first name demo, last name user, and all the rest of the details too. So now as we have received the order data, we have to notify the team on the Telegram. So for that, I'm going to use my action application as Telegram. So now let me search for it. And right here you can see that we are getting this application. Now let's select the app event as send a text message or reply. Now let's build the connection. And right here we're on the connection page, where for building a new connection you just have to click over the add new connection button. Now let's enter the token. So for getting the token, let's move on towards my Telegram account with me. So right here I'm on my Telegram, where I'm going to search for the bot father. So now let me search for it. And right here you can see that we are getting the bot father, which I'm going to select. And now let's start it. And here I'm going to create a new bot. So here I'm going to select this new bot. And now we have to provide a name to our bot. So here I'm going to enter it as order notification 1. And here we are getting this message which says this name must end with the word bot. So here I'm going to enter it as order notification 1 bot. And here you can see that the access token has been created. So I'm going to copy this and paste it over my Pabbly Connect for building the connection. Now let's save it. And here you can see that my connection has been built in, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for the chat ID. So for getting the chat ID, let's move on towards my Telegram account with me, where I'm going to start my new bot which I have just created, named as order notification 1. And here I'm going to add this bot to the group where I want to send the notifications. So right here I have already created this group named as the order received. So here I'm going to add this particular bot to this group. But if you want to create a new group, then you can also create a new group. So here I'm going to add this bot which I have just created. So here I'm going to search for it, and right here we are getting our bot which I'm going to add to this particular group. And here you can see that my bot has been successfully added. Now we have to provide admin permissions to this bot so that it can send messages to this group. So for that, I'm going to make it as my admin. So here I'm going to select it, and now let's add it as our admin of the group. And here you can see that my bot has got the admin permission. Now it can send messages to this particular group. And here you can see that we are getting this chat ID in the search bar, which I'm going to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect. And now it is asking me to enter the text message which I want to send to my Telegram group. So here I'm going to enter the message. So this is the message which I'm going to send to my user. And here after this word customer, I'm going to enter the name of the customer. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this. But no, here I'm going to perform a method provided by Pabbly, that is mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these details from the response which I'm receiving from a Shopify, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and the slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application. So from its response, I'm going to map the customer's name. So now let me search for the name. And right here we are getting our customer's name, which I'm going to map. Now let's map the email address likewise. So here I'm going to search for the email which I have mapped. Now likewise I'm going to map the rest of the details from the response of the Shopify. So here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new order received over your Shopify. And now we are getting all these fields which are not necessary. And right here you can select your pass mode, either it is HTML or the markdown. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And right here we are receiving this positive response, which demonstrate that an order notification might be sent. So now let's move on towards my Telegram account, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this message, and this message consists of the same details of the user which has just placed the order. So now you can see that within few minutes I have created this automation by using which I'm notifying my team regarding the new order received. So now you can also automate this entire process by just using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box for your reference. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.